talking and I didn't even press the camera. So right now I'm just having some Starbucks. I door dashed it to my house. Let's see. So I ordered a grande strawberry acai refresher. I did get it with the berries, and then I just ordered a double smoked bacon sandwich. So now I'm going to eat. So I'm getting ready to head out to the city. I just got my hair in a bun, put extensions. I just gotta rearrange my hair. I'm gonna put some concealer on under my eyes so I could look refreshed and whatnot. But this is the fit. Got a white bodysuit. I believe these jeans are from Charlotte, my superstars. This top I think is from Charlotte or somewhere, I'm not too sure. So I'm gonna quickly do my makeup because I'm really late. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I could walk Ace, but I doubt it. But you know, whatever. I'll let my mom do that. But catch you guys in the next clip. I will be in the city. Tennessee? Huh? You wanna say hi? It's the vlog. Say hi. Hi. Birthday girl. You're gonna be on YouTube. So we just parked the car and now we're on our way to the color factory and we're late. Late. We have made it to the color factory. We're about to go see colors. Are you excited to see colors? Okay. If you don't know your colors, you're going to know them today. What? I'm gonna also record. Do whatever you want. Coffee. I want coffee. Yeah. Vanilla. The white vanilla is the white one, and the blue vanilla is a little bit sweeter. But they're both vanilla. I want to eat them. This one? Yeah, that would be sweeter. And the white one is regular vanilla. That's vanilla. Let's take it. Which one's coffee? Is this one? Want me to grab it for you? Or you can grab that one. Yeah, correct. You don't rush at all. That's my favorite. This is dope. Huh? Yeah. You want to take a picture? Anything. Okay, you press the button. This is so cute. Talk. Is he saying anything? Oh, Thunder? I like this a moment. Oh my god, we gotta take pictures in here. We gotta take pictures. Ready? We gotta take a
Remember your color. You guys pink, so you have to remember your color.
Mine was pink.
You guys went into pink, but I don't want pink.
Yeah, so read it and take one.
You have to figure out the color.
Yeah.
Looking at the screen.
Yeah, it's that one.
Look at mine.
What do? You just...
Someone take this screenshot.
We get to take one?
It's flavored popcorn. Sorry.
It's okay.
You changed this picture.
Sorry. For what? We gotta find our colors, the one that we came out of. Why is it so foggy? Do you sit on it? Balls. Hi.
Into the blue, a couple of things if you would like to get into the ball pit. We just ask you to take off your shoes and your buttons if you're wearing them. Any jewelry you think could get lost while you're in there. Anything in your pockets as well. You can leave your stuff on either set of bleachers. Turn on your reindeer.
I'm holding it. I tried it. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. How much is it? How much? $18. For what? Oh, temporary tattoo. How much is that?
$12.
Vas-y, oui. Vai sair o chão. E o chão, oui. E o chão, oui. Ready? So, how was the color factory?
It was pretty good.
Yeah. 3 stars. 5 stars. So now we just walk in. I don't know where we're going. We're probably gonna head back to the car and head back to the island. But I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my city. Stay tuned.
Mini storage? Wow, mini storage.
Alright, we gotta wait.
Really?
Yeah, it says pause. It's a green light.
It's probably with the gyro over and over.
That's not what you want.
And I think it will really help you out. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love. Baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million.
Ever since you started hating.
Guys, so it's Friday. I haven't vlogged in like a minute, but right now I'm quickly packing for the hotel stay that we're gonna stay at in the city. It's only for one night, so I don't really have to pack a lot. Ooh, sorry for my flyaways. My hair's looking rough, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm packing a little bit after I'm done. And yeah, okay, so I'm bringing 2 pairs of bathing suits just in case, whatever mood I feel like wearing. But I got this suit that you can see on my Zafo vlog, and I have this one piece lime green. So far right now I have my night shirt and my going out / pictures. In here I have my heels and my makeup in a bag for safekeeping. Shot my makeup line. So right now I'm just gonna get my makeup together, put them in the suitcase, and then I gotta pack my mom's stuff. I think I'm gonna bring some lights for the pictures, I'm not too sure. And then I am going to bring my wig that's right there because my hair needs to be did. And I also have another pair of hair that I'm gonna bring because I don't know what style. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna quickly pack and then we should be on our way to the city. Guys, we are in the city. We are at 50 NYC and Suites. We got Mama Dukes in the car. Hi. Wait, hold on. Can y'all see her? We got Mama Dukes. We got Grandma. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
We got the birthday girl and her mama. Yo.
1805. This is 5. This is supposed to be this. No, that's the stairs.
That's the stairs. Keep going all the way down the hall.
Here, that was it. 1805. What size is this?
From the point 1804 kwa Haiti. Right? 1804. Et là où nous devons. Vous entendez?
1804.
1804 pour notre point pour Haiti. Attends.
So close.
Turn the light on. Right?
Wow.
That's it?
One light? Nice.
No, there has to be more.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm gonna do a room. Guys, so this is our walkway right here. We look back that way. This is the elevator. Okay. And stairs. So this is our room, 1805. See, we should have gotten 1804 for Haiti, but you know, it is what it is. Got the key right there. Just put it in. Wow. You walk in. Watch your back. So this is the door. You close it. This is the door that we just came from. We got a desk right here if you want to do some work or whatever. Mama Duke's right here. Say hi, Mama.
Hi. Hi, Mama.
Lights. Don't mind my grandma burping. This is the living room. It's a queen bed, queen sofa bed. Got a little, what you call it right here. Is this laundry? Did he say what this is? Oh, it's probably the connecting room. No, di ba kawi. So we have a TV. As you're walking, we have a little area to eat. So this is the overview. Okay, and then right here is the kitchen. Regular schmegular kitchen. You got your dishwasher. You got your liquor if you want alcohol on the rocks or whatever. Pictures, some glasses, cups, bowls, a little stove, our microwave, dishwasher, coffee, sink. And when you walk through here, right here, this is our balcony. All right, so a balcony has there's two balconies. So there's one out of the living room right here. You got your table, a little coffee chair right here. So this is how it looks like. And then we have this beautiful view of Manhattan, baby. All right, so let's take you guys to the room now. Okay, steps. Oh, is the guy.
It's a connecting door.
Oh,
Open.
sorry.
It's to my room.
Yeah. So this is the room, double queen bed, right here. And then right here, yeah, we got the heater, little desk, phone right here, closet. The bathroom door has a mirror. Y'all peep this. Bathroom. What does it say? Yeah. So toilet, sink, some towels, me. And then you got your shower right here. Cute little shower. And then this is the overview. Okay. I'm crying. Now we got a full-length mirror. Yo. Full-length mirror. And then from the bedroom is another entrance to the balcony. And she locked it. Open the balcony. Gracias. So yeah, so this is the other part of the balcony. I'll take a view of Manhattan, baby. And no, the balconies are not connected. What am I looking at? Oh, it's the MetLife. MetLife. Wait, don't. Is that video? Isn't she from that country? Yo.
Waiting for something great.
Put it out the coupe in the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the tails out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo pills. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night I know the movie came in. Just one on stage. Close, motherfucker on the ground. Off this way. Doing all the shows. I've been on the road. I don't care why I go. Long as I get paid. Bad little vibe. She been on my mind. Soon as I get that shit get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night I
They said that this nigga fucking her. Wanna see me lately. Wonder why that bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth.